Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. We're going to start pulling what sold for us today, but first, we have something that came from one of you guys here. So let's check it out. It looks like Angela sent Reese a huge box.
I'm thinking now we're going to get a little, like, some treats or something. I don't know what this is, but...
What do you think it is, Reese?
What do you think's in this box, man?
You excited yet? What's in here? So we're gonna open up. Thank you so much, Angela.
Yeah, this
Let's
is amazing.
see.
I don't even know what it is, but I just know that it's amazing. You just sent us something that's just so nice. Reese.
What is it, Reese?
What is this, man?
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. It's a huge bag, buddy.
Look at the excitement.
Let's open it. Check it out, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
Right here?
Hey.
Oh, Reese.
All
That's for
right.
you, man. You sweet guy. Oh. You
Wow,
sweet
that
guy.
is awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
that is
Angela.
Perfect. Yeah, we grabbed this when we were at TJ Maxx, and I thought Reese wasn't as big as he is, but this one can go downstairs now, huh? Let's keep this one up here because you spend most of your time here. Huh.
What do you think, Reese?
You lucky guy.
There's a tummy rub.
You lucky guy. Oh, thank you so much. He's so happy.
He jumped right in.
Look how soft.
I'm gonna steal that bed from you, Reese.
So soft. Our kids probably will. They love laying on the bed with him. So
All right, we're gonna get this cleaned up, and then we'll get pulling our orders. Angela, I think he absolutely loves the bed.
yes.
We tried moving it, and he would not even hop
He
out.
didn't get off of it. We dragged him over there.
Yeah,
Oh, sweet boy. You're so
I think that's the
happy.
thing. He just needed the right bed.
out a
He's
little more,
never
yeah.
gonna leave that bed. Oh man, awesome! Thank you so much for that, Angela.
That was way too
Yeah, let's get pulling.
Okay. Oh gosh, of course the first one. I'm pretty sure it says CP. So let's go to CP. And actually this box, Angela, I think is gonna be perfect for some of those big lawn chairs that we
Yeah,
need to list but
that's
haven't
right.
because we didn't really have a box for them. So
Yeah, we have two of those old folding aluminum chairs.
yeah.
That-
We were gonna have to like, what is it called? Frankenbox something, but
Yeah.
that's why we hadn't listed them. All right, these first pair that sold is a Merrill, just like some, what are these, mules? Clogs. I have $4.99 into these, and they sold on Posh for $31 with discount shipping, so someone accepted the Posh or VA offer that went out. And for Posh, let's do a regional B box. Since I ran out of medium flat rates, I did just order some more though. All right, AI, another pair of Merrills. Almost the exact same shoes actually. These ones are just a little bit of a different color and they're like a Mary Jane style.
yeah.
So these I just listed last night actually. For 31, well I listed them for 35. We have a small sale running on eBay, so $31.80 plus ship is what the buyer paid for these guys. This pair is under £1, so they're just shipping out first class. And
Yeah, we had to move the poly mailer drawer. I think it fits there better
Yeah,
anyway,
I'm
so you don't have to
always,
keep
like,
walking
bonking
back and forth right here. Yeah. So it's working out.
a little Halloween mailer. Oh. So box S. Alright, we sold some Vineyard Vines, just men's like khaki pants. I have $7.99 into these. They sold on Facebook for $20 plus shipping. They are just over £1, so we'll ship those out in like get some mailing box. I don't know, they're just so small. I feel like then we have to shove a bunch of paper in there. Might just put them in a mailer even though
Yeah, I mean, I don't really typically put paper in a box that has clothes in it, you know.
I don't know. I think they'll fit in this mailer. With priority mail, I like the boxes because generally I feel like sometimes they might not notice that it's priority versus first class, and like they might put it in the wrong pile and it goes slower. I don't know. That probably doesn't even happen. It's just something I think happens. So, all right. These are some men's Lululemon shorts. I have $3.99 into them. They sold on Facebook for $30 plus shipping. This actually took a little bit longer than I thought to sell. It took me a while to list them because, well, I wanted to make sure they were real to begin with because I was like nervous because they're missing the tag. So like Lululemon, most people like tear off the tag, but then the size is still there. Anyways, found out they were real, finally listed them, but they still took several months to sell. I thought they'd sell within like a week. So obviously still a good profit, 4 into 30, but I don't know if Lululemon is, I don't sell it a ton. I don't really look through the athletic section that much, but yeah, I don't know if it's just kind of slowly going down in resale value or what. Let me know if you sell a lot and know. Oh, this is not what I'm pulling from that box, but I did sell these. So I guess I have 2 things in this box that I sold today. This one says, Vulcan. What is this?
Some Vulcan Volcom sandal shoes?
So this is a Volcom rash guard. So you guys have been seeing me sell these. I have $10 into that retail arbitrage. This one sold for $29.95 plus shipping on eBay. So really good. And then let me find the label for these. I need to make sure, but yeah, it's a box Q. Yeah, we pulled them Q. Okay. So these actually sold on eBay like last weekend, and the buyer never paid. She even reached out, said, I'll pay tomorrow, and never paid. So we have our thing set up so they get 2 reminders, and then it cancels after like the 4th day or something. So I didn't even respond to her email saying she was going to pay the next day and didn't. But yeah, so it just got canceled. I finally relisted them a few days after that, and they sold right away on Facebook for $30 plus shipping. So I think I'm actually making out better versus what they would have sold for on eBay had she paid. So
right.
I had $10.64 into those ones.
How you going to pack them?
Facebook, so shoebox.
Shoebox it is.
Shoebox. All right, box AK. Sweet guy. These are just some men's Levi's jeans. I actually bought these for Chris, but they were just a little bit too short. They're 29 length, and yeah, they looked a little bit like high waters, so I went ahead and listed them. I did pay $9.99 for them since I was getting them for him. I don't usually pay $10 for just a pair of Levi's to flip.
Right.
But they did sell for $29.88 plus ship, so it was a decent little flip still. Those are going in a padded flat rate. All right, top shelf Danner boots. Okay. Now I gotta figure out, because I sold both pairs of our Danner boots, so.
Oh, and they're both on the top shelf?
Yeah, so this other one says Danner black. So
good.
The first Danners are these ones. Alright, so these sold on eBay for $64.95 plus shipping. I did buy these at Goodwill though for $19.99, so I did pay out for them just because I know Danner does really well. They've only been listed a couple days and sold right away, so very happy with that. Those are going UPS, so I'm going to have to grab a box from the closet. And then top shelf other Danners are these guys. I had these listed at $100 on Poshmark, but I had them listed at $80 plus shipping on eBay. The buyer, I think, saw them at both. So she came to Poshmark. She got the Posher VA offer, which was like $80 with discount shipping, and then she told me why they were only worth $50 to her. So if she would have just offered $50, I would have accepted $50 anyways. But yeah, they do have some, like scuffs and some pretty deep scratches. But these are like some heavy duty work boots. They're not like to go out on the town and look cute or anything. So I bought them knowing that they had those scuffs and nobody's gonna care. They're still gonna buy them. So anyhow, I had paid $15.99 for these, so $50. I was happy to accept that offer. So I just wrote her back saying, you know, send the offer and I will accept. So she did, and I accepted. So easy enough. And those being Poshmark, I'll put them in. You think they'll fit in original B or two?
I think original B. Yeah, we'll have to maybe single bag each shoe.
Yeah.
And then configure them in there, but I think that'll work.
Yeah, all right. So then CH sold some Hoka. Okay, so these I actually scored off Facebook Marketplace like a week or so ago for $10. Free shipping, because I'm still getting free shipping for at least 2 more days. So yeah, someone had these super cheap. I didn't know why. Sometimes, you know, if it's a personal item, you just, not everyone's a reseller, so they're not trying to like get the max amount for stuff. So
yeah,
yeah. So I got them, and I noticed they do say sample, and then on the inside it's stamped sample not for resale, which doesn't mean that like a reseller can't resell them. It just means like the Hoka store can't resell them,
right,
or the original person that got them as a sample cannot resell them, but pretty much anybody else can. So.
Which they may have sold them to you for $10. We don't know that.
I don't care.
Right.
So they sold them to me for $10. These retail for $160, this model. And you can tell they're not worn. So anyways, I listed mine on Posh at $135. Sold on eBay for this condition were like $100 to $110. So I was kind of hoping for like $100, but someone offered me $70, and the ones on eBay that had those high comps did not say anything about sample or anything like that. So a little bit less, obviously, 70 versus 100 to 110, but who knows if anybody else would care about the sample thing. And 10 into 70 in like less than a week is really good. So
yeah,
I was happy to accept. It's like a $40, almost $50 profit there. And yeah, so hopefully they like, yeah, I just know that eventually someone was going to message me like, these say you can't resell them. So
yeah.
I didn't
Best
want
just
that
to
to
avoid
happen.
that future
So, yeah.
potential conversation.
So we'll probably just do original B for these as well.
Yeah, and there really shouldn't be any difference in these and non-sample
I think sample
ones.
just means like those are the ones
Right.
that just sit on the...
They sit, I'm assuming they sit on the shelf and you
Maybe
could try them on. Yeah, so they might have been worn in the store.
Right.
So killer deal.
Yeah.
That's a great
I mean,
flip.
I felt a ton of Hokas. They feel normal as all the others.
Yeah.
So. Alrighty. So BK. Alright. This was a pretty good sale as well. These are some buckle black jeans. And when I bought these, I thought they were men's. I think I even found them in the men's section at Goodwill. But they're actually women's. So glad I figured that out before I listed them incorrectly. But anyways, I had paid an average cost of goods this day of $8.94, and these sold for $42 on Posh. So I listed them at $50 and got a $42 offer. Super reasonable. I will ship those out in a regional A flat box. Is that something I need to turn off? Right. Okay. DF. Another really good sale. I had some really good sales. Today was a really good day.
Yeah. Last night too, right? Like it was last night. Had a bunch of good sales.
Despite having I just saw I have 3 new comments on a Poshmark return case that
Is that what?
she's already had like 10 comments, so like 3 new comments, which I'm probably not even gonna read. But anyhow, if that ends up we get the return, we'll do like a video on that alone. But
Yeah.
if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen all that drama.
She's been going over the whole thing in her stories.
Right, it's just funny. Like I'm still over here doing my normal work, making all these sales, and yeah, I had a really good day, despite that.
Yeah.
So this I bought when that new thrift store in town opened. What was that, April or something? So it's been a while, but it was worth it. I paid $10.99, and this sold for $67 on Posh. So it's just a Patagonia fleece. It is a vintage one. It does say made in the USA and stuff like that. So, yeah. If you find the vintage made in the USA and like, sorry, I know I need to get my glasses. I just keep falling, but if you find like a pattern one made in the USA, some of those can go for like upwards of
$200. Yeah, we were looking that up. Because I was curious, because this one sold well, and it's just a plain...
Yeah, just plain red.
Red.
Still sold for $67.
So just a mailing box?
Mailing box, yeah.
Yeah. I think you're going to lose this one.
Nope. I don't lose anything except maybe this Poshmark case. We'll see. CG. All right. Oh, I'm gonna fall on my head.
Yep.
Oh. You must have touched it.
I didn't do
when
anything.
You walked by. All right. So this is the SO brand. I don't know. I think it's sold at Kohl's or something. This I found at the bins a while back, so I have $1.50 for into it, and I listed it low. I mean, the Kohl's stuff doesn't retail for much to begin with, but it sold for $10 plus shipping on Facebook. That is under a pound, so I think it won't fit in a normal mailer. Maybe just do a dog mailer. Alrighty, and last but not least, another Patagonia item. Oh.
That was me.
It's
Sorry.
all good.
I'm just kidding.
Seriously, he's stomping over there.
Stop. That was greasy. His snoring and deep
Reese.
sleep from the bed.
You made all my packages for me, huh? I'm just kidding. Alright, another Patagonia. This one is a better sweater, so this one sold for less than that one did. This I had actually bought for myself off of Mercari. I was all in with tax and everything, $53.61. It's technically men's, but red is my favorite color, and that's the only one I could find. But when I got it, it fits, but like the men's pocket is right here. So on women's better sweaters, the pocket is on the arm. On men's, it's right here on the front, and it just looked really funny on me. So I went ahead and relisted it, and it ended up selling for $57 plus ship back on Mercari. So I'm losing like $4 off of that, but it's all good.
Where are you going?
Dude, I probably upset him.
He's like, I have to get away from you.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? Lay in your bed. Good boy. He's so good. All right. So.
You're a good boy. That nice, comfy bed.
Alrighty.
That was the last one you said?
Yep, for now.
All right, so we'll get this all cleaned up and packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. And look, this is like a prime example of you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink. Reese, that is like the most comfortable bed.
You come here. Don't slap me with your tail. Come here.
You snuggle, mama?
Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, he's my good boy.
He's like, I'll be half in.
I'll sleep on it.
Thanks again, Angela, for the amazing bed. That is all we have to go out today. I don't think you had anything else to say, right?
No, I'm still on my 15 a day roll.
Yeah, Kathy's been doing really good. 2 more days of October.
I don't want to bump it to 20, although I haven't got a bank at all. I've been maintaining the 15, but I have 0
Yeah.
in the bank. I mean, not 0, but like 5. So
In the
I want to start
draft
doing
bank.
20 in November. Like essentially, I want to get to 30. I think I can do 30 on my own, but it's going to take a lot of preparation to get there.
Yeah.
But I'd like to bump up to 20 ASAP. So, got a lot of work ahead of me.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it'd be good to have a goal of having a X amount in your bank before you jump up to the 20 a day. But that is the goal, to try to level it up whenever you can.
At least by January.
And then whenever I get done with the floor and stuff, I'll be able to come up here and start at like 5 a day or 2 a day or just something a day, and then just get my bank rolling up. And that's how we're planning on doing it from here on out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support from all our viewers, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.